Delta North are not Igbo. Are we really
No,
Igbo
no.
people?
Anybody that says that Delta North is not Igbo, it's just like telling you that Nigeria is not Igbo. Every Nigerian is Igbo. Every Nigerian is Hausa. Every Nigerian is Yoruba. Every Nigerian is Urobo. Every Nigerian is Shekiri. Your tribe does not determine the section where you are. Our language denotes we are Igbos.
Please, the names are your
Felix
name.
Ndukwe is my name.
Okay, sir.
The interviewer asked the man whether Anioma people are Igbo people. That some people are saying that Anioma is not Igbo. The man replied saying that every Nigerian is Igbo. Every Nigerian is Hausa. Every Nigerian is Yoruba. Every Nigerian is Isekiri. Every Nigerian is Urobo, and so on. That statement is for Nigerians to see themselves as one people. The man said that the language of we Anioma people denotes who we are. That we Anioma people are Igbo people. In Ika land, their language is Igbo language. In Okwane land, our language is Igbo language. In Oshimiri land, our language is Igbo language. In Aniocha land, our language is Igbo language. If you understand Igbo language, you will know that what Ika people are speaking is Igbo language. You will understand that what Okwane people, Oshimiri, and Aniocha people are speaking is Igbo language. The way Ika people speak is called an Igbo dialect. Same with we Okwane people. Same with Oshimiri and Aniocha people. That is the reason why the government of Delta State gazetted we Anioma people as Igbo people. Okwane is just an Igbo tribe. Ika is just an Igbo tribe. Enoane is an Igbo tribe. These people are not ethnic nationalities. Delta State is made up of 5 ethnic nationalities. Number 1 is Igbo. And under Igbo, Okwane, Eka, Oshimiri, and Aniocha is under Igbo. They are the ones referred to as Igbo by the government of Delta State. The second ethnic nationality in Delta State is Urobo. The third one is Isoko. The fourth one is Ijo. And the fifth one is Ishekiri. Why didn't they say that Delta State is made up of 8 ethnic nationalities? Okwane as a separate ethnic nationality. Eka as a separate ethnic nationality. Oshimiri as a separate ethnic nationality. Aniocha as a separate ethnic nationality. Why Delta State government not do them like that? Instead, they grouped all the Ibia speaking people in Delta State together and called them Igbo. Delta State government gazetted Anioma people as Igbo people. The day of Abo, when they thought say Abo is not Igbo, he is called an Igbo king. Abo is an Igbo community. He is the king of Abo people. That is why he is called an Igbo king. Abo is a single community in Ika land. All Ika people are not Abo people. There are other Ika kingdoms that have their own kings. Akumasi kingdom is not part of Abo. Omunede kingdom is not part of Abo. Otolopo kingdom is not part of Abo. The kings of those communities, they are not answerable to the day of Abo. The same way the day of Abo is a king is the same way the kings of those separate Ika communities are kings also. The same way we Okwane people are not Kwale people. We are Okwane people. And in Okwane land, we have different communities, separate communities. And no Okwane community is answerable to another Okwane community. That is the same way it is in Ika land. Our Okpalukus in Okwane land are called Igbo traditional rulers in Delta States. The title of our traditional rulers in Okwane land is called Okpala Uku. Okpala Uku is an Igbo word. It's not an Ijo word. It's not an Urobo word. It's not a Yoruba word. It's not a Hausa word. It's not a Fulani word. It is an Igbo word. The word day of Abo. Day is an Igbo word. Other kings in Anioma land called Obi. They are Igbo traditional rulers. Obi is an Igbo word. The government of Delta State calls them Igbo people. The language of all these communities in Delta North is called Igbo language. Ukwan is not just an Igbo dialect. Ukwan is Igbo language. Ika is not just an Igbo dialect. Ika is Igbo language. Oshimiri and Anacha are not just Igbo dialects. They are Igbo language. Abakaliki language is Igbo language. Abakaliki language is Igbo dialect. Arochukwu language is Igbo language. Arochukwu language is Igbo dialect. Nri language is Igbo language. Nri language is Igbo dialect. When they say speak Igbo language, speak your Igbo dialect. That your Igbo dialect is Igbo language. There is no single dialect in Igbo land that people will say this is the original Igbo language. Now this one be the main Igbo. Speak it, na lie. Ibanke people in Edo State, they are speaking 100% Igbo language. Ibanke language is an Igbo dialect. This is for Igbo nation to know that every Igbo region is Igbo. Every Igbo dialect is Igbo. No Igbo dialect is better or superior to another Igbo dialect. No Igbo region is superior to another Igbo region. Igbo bofu. If we Anioma people are not Igbo people, the government of Delta State will never gazette us as Igbo people. If the language of we Anioma people is Urobo, they will gazette we Anioma people as Urobo people. If we be Ijo, they go gazette us as Ijo. If we be Hausa, they go gazette us as Hausa people. That elder there said that our language denotes who we are. The language of we Anioma people is Igbo language. We are Igbo people. Our first culture is our language. The first culture of a community is their language. That their language is what connects them to other regions that speak that their language. Other regions that speak that their language with another dialect is their brother. The way we speak Arochukwu, Afikpo, Izi, Iza, Abakaliki, the way all of them speak is their own dialect. When they speak, we Anioma people, we hear them, we understand them. That alone is supposed to make we Anioma people to know that these people are our brother, oh, this is where we belong, oh, this is our family, this is our stock, this is our lineage. What Bia speaking communities are called is Igbo people, and for that we Anioma people are Igbo people. The language we speak in our community is our first culture and tradition. When you talk about Ofo, when you talk about the Igbo 4 market days, when you talk about the food we eat, when you talk about our traditional attire, when you talk about our music and dance, and so on, all of them are Igbo. Which people use Ofo in Nigeria? Those people are called Igbo people. The Igbo 4 market days, the people that use it are called Igbo people. You can't be using Ofo and say that you are not an Igbo person. You can't be using the Igbo 4 market days and be saying that you are not an Igbo person. You can't be bearing Igbo name and be saying that you are not an Igbo person. Your language is your identity. Your culture and tradition is your identity. And every other region that speak that language you speak with another dialect, they are your brothers. In the whole of Anioma land, what we call the supreme being is Chukwu. We call food Nni. We call water Mili. We call house owner. How can you say that all this same language, culture and tradition that we Anioma people are practicing, how can you be saying that our Igbo brothers that practice the same thing use those same words? How can you be saying that we and them are not one people? Anybody where they tell we Anioma people say we not be Igbo people, that person is an agent of disunity. That person not good. Like our elder said here, our language in Anioma denotes who we are. Our language is Igbo. We Anioma people are Igbo people. We Anioma people should be proud of our Igbo identity. We are Igbo people and one people with our Igbo brothers in the southeast. A united people is a strong force. A united people are powerful people. Igbo bofu Ishiagwale.